What's going on, y'all? Josh and Chastity here. Chastity's about to freeze to death, but we are here in Norfolk, Virginia, and we're getting ready to check out Circuit Social. We got a big night planned, and this is how we're going to start it off. So we're going to go in here, we're going to try some beers, we're going to play some duck pin bowling, some old school arcade games, and then we're going to go to the Norva and check out Saved by the 90s. Here we go, guys. Yay! We just got checked in and they gave us this cool little card. So on this card, we have our gaming credits, and this is also what's going to keep track of what we eat and what we drink while we're here. The drinks are all on tap and they're on the wall and they're self-serve. You get 32 ounces at a time.
No, not at a time. Before you have to go refill the card.
Yeah. So like
you can go get 1 ounce. It just charges by the ounce.
But 32 ounces is loaded on here, and once we drink 32 ounces worth of alcohol, then we have to, like Chastity said, we got to come back and reload this thing. So pretty cool. We think.
I don't know.
It's very crowded. It looks like an awesome place. So a lot of it's kind of like when we were kids. So it's 90s night, and we're going to Saved by the 90s. So we're at an arcade, and there's like Pac-Man and all the old school games. So pretty excited about it.
The only thing is we have to pay for it ourselves, and we can't go ask Mama for money.
That's right. We don't have a pocket full of quarters. We have this.
Yeah.
So it's like Back to the Future, kind of.
Back to the past.
Back to the past.
Yeah.
Or forward to the past.
Back to the past.
All right.
Weirdo.
There are 10 lanes of awesome duck pin bowling and 48 self-serve alcoholic beverage taps.
Duck pin bowling, baby! We just finished our first game. Who won that, babe?
I don't really think they're keeping score.
We had a combined score of 258. 155 of that was scored by me.
No, I don't think they're.
You do the math.
No, I have to let you in, or you're gonna complain.
She thinks I'll
pout.
pout.
Out of the way.
She's afraid I'll pout.
The rest, you're gonna pout. You will.
Moral of the story, I won.
No.
I won.
First one. I got the next 3.
There are over 80 classic arcade games, including skee ball and air hockey. So we just ordered our food, and it's all through a kiosk using the card again. You put the card down,
and you order things from a digital menu, which is pretty cool. You know what? We're kind of social, but we're kind of anti-social. I know that's weird, but like we don't always like to interact with people. I don't
We
know.
like to interact with people we like, not just random people.
Not just randos. No, I'm kidding. But, you know, so it's kind of cool. You just, you know, so really, if you are an introvert, this is kind of a cool place because you don't really have to interact with anybody if you don't want to. So you take your order, use the card, you put in your beeper number, and you wait. You go pick up your food. So we got some fully loaded, number 13. We got some fully loaded fries, and we also got boneless wings. So we're excited. It's gonna be good. We know it's gonna be good. We just finished up our pre-gaming before Saved by the 90s at Circuit Social. That was awesome. This is like a grown folks Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun. I wish they had cocktails, but
No, I love cocktails more than anything, but I was fine with, because they have sangria.
Oh yeah.
They have everything other than like
It's all
an
on the
actual
tap.
cocktail.
It's all on the tap, and I think we only spent like $120 total with all the games, duck pin bowling.
And we're here for like 4 hours drinking.
We
and
had at
playing
least
whatever
10
we wanted.
drinks probably. We had the Ouzel Finch orange soda cider was amazing. There was also a caramel apple cider that was great. It's also, it may not sound like it, but it is family friendly.
Until 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock, it goes 21 only.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Uh-oh. The Popo is here. Oh my God, the Popo's here.
Act
right.
Not us.
We're straight.
We didn't
We're
steal
straight.
anything.
Come around. We're straight.
It wasn't us.
It wasn't us, Mr. Policeman. It wasn't us, I swear. We didn't do it. It wasn't us. We're on our way to Saved by the 90s now. Here we go, guys. We out.
Okay, so he wasn't after us.
He wasn't after us. We out. He may be after us later, though. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
If you like this video, please click the link above for more travel vlogs.